This is livingpianos.com, and I'm Robert Estrin, playing a piece of music history. This Baldwin from 1898 is a remarkable instrument, and for every piano like this that's still around, there are tens of thousands that have not endured the ages, like this remarkable instrument. Look at this pristine set of ivories. Can you believe it, from that long ago? Beautiful soundboard. The piano's had restoration, new hammers. It's been restrung not too long ago. And the case is a glorious example of what American piano building was like centuries ago, when there were hundreds of piano companies all over the country. Every major city had piano factories. Baldwin, of course, went on to become the largest piano manufacturer in the United States and was the choice of so many concert artists. Listen to this piano. I'm going to start off with just a beautiful little Scarlatti sonata in D minor. The action is very fluid, not too heavy. The singing tone is amazing because a lot of older pianos, the soundboards flatten out. Did you know that soundboards have a slight upward arching that is manufactured into it when they're built? And that is the potential energy of the soundboard, referred to as crown. And this piano has got such a singing tone, as you'll hear in a couple of movements from Schumann's Carnival Cyriana and a dedication to Chopin. Ah, smooth action, easy to play, so inviting. And look at this gorgeous case. So now, let's hear the other side. A little bit of Debussy, the Gollywog's Cakewalk from Children's Corner Suite. Anyway, a little piece of history here, an instrument that has endured the ages with loving care. And there's just some things that cannot be duplicated from the era when these pianos were delivered all around the country on horse and buggy. Think about this. And the remarkable fact that this piano is around and playing on such a high level and looking so gorgeous. It's pretty amazing, isn't it? Again, I'm Robert Estrin. You're watching livingpianos.com. Your online piano store. Delivery, well, in a truck, not a horse and buggy, anywhere in the continental US for free. Check it out. See you next time.